Now, the 27 people that were arrested from the Hyderabad campus university on charges of disruption of public property have been granted conditional bail. Faculty members and students have pulled in to raise the required surety money.
Now, protests against the Vice-Chancellor will continue, but on the other hand, there are students who are worried about their future because their studies have been severely hit over the past few weeks.
Protests continue at Hyderabad Central University. And in some relief to the early leaders of the protests, 24 students and 3 others, including faculty members, have been granted bail. They had been arrested from Hyderabad Central University on the 22nd of March, allegedly for vandalism. The state did not even file a counter-argument to the bail petition.
But we are greatly relieved, and it's something that we're looking forward to. We have spent 4 anxious days, and many of the faculty and the students have not slept. They are in hiding, and they were in real anguish.
The whole issue is around the whole death of a student on campus, and the struggle has been about that the campuses should not be discriminatory, and suddenly there is a complete change in the in that focus.
But many students, like 32-year-old C. Gangadhar, are still worried. Gangadhar is from an agricultural background. His family has suffered severe crop losses, but he has not been able to send them any fellowship money. This is because of the delay in submitting his project report, a delay caused by the academic shutdown.
I didn't send money to my family because my family is dependent on me. If I'll get fellowship only, they will get survive. They cannot survive. For 2 months I didn't get fellowship because if the report has to go through the art building. If the art building is not that time only not function. So not yet I didn't get the reports. After reports will get, then I'll get fellowship.
सिर्फ 2 से 3 कंपनियां आई हैं, जबकि पिछली बार जो प्लेसमेंट का परसेंटेज था बहुत ज़्यादा है. हमारा प्रोजेक्ट सबमिशन है, मैं फाइनल ईयर में हूँ, मेरा प्रोजेक्ट सबमिशन है, ठीक है. प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए कंपनियां आना बंद हो गई हैं. फाइनल ईयर के एग्जाम स्टूडेंट्स के हैं, तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे, आप ये सोचिए.
While many may hope that normalcy will return to Hyderabad Central University, that does remain a distant reality for now because a lot of things still remain unsettled and chaotic within the university. Many saying they will continue to protest as long as Mr. Appar Rao continues to be the Vice Chancellor. With camera person Nagaraju, Sneha Koshi for NDTV.